Dia de los Niños, Dia de los Libros is a celebration of children and books, and a tradition we have here at the library honoring kids in the neighborhood and kids of all cultures to come in and celebrate who they are and to encourage the sharing of books and literacy in their lives.
Youth Outreach Coordinator Michelle True joins with other library staff members and Dora the Explorer in welcoming local families to a traditional library event celebrating children and books.
Every year during the celebration of Dia de los Niños, we have a book giveaway in which any of the children that come to the celebration are able to choose a book for free.
Family book sharing sets the mood for this 90-minute celebration featuring the fun-filled interactive music of singer-songwriter Trisha Sebastian.
I'm going to be singing kids' music mostly, family music, bilingual, heavy on the Spanish, songs that they can get up and jump around and dance, and some that the parents might even know that they can sing to.
Sebastian's background in education as well as music allows her to effectively reach children of all ages.
I started when I was a kid myself, and I think that's part of why I really enjoy singing for children. And then I joined this band that toured all over Spain and Mexico. And then I moved to Chicago about 11 years ago and started working at the Old Town School of Folk Music. I also work for the Ravinia Outreach Program, so I teach in a couple of public schools.
Bilingual musical storytelling is the focus of this Mount Prospect Public Library presentation as Sebastian and her partner Geraldo merrily coax audience members into singing, dancing, and playing environment-friendly musical instruments made of seeds and kelp.
My goal was just to make them comfortable and get them coming back to the library for whatever reason it is. Bringing them into the library is such a fabulous way to get them involved in reading, and this is one opportunity they can come, they can read books, they can listen to a storyteller, and then they can hear some great music and have a good time.
In having Dia de los Niños every year, we like to reach out to the community and reach families of all different backgrounds and all different languages and encourage them to use the library.